Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussing final keyword in Java. The final keyword in Java can be used in various ways like a final variable, final method or final class. We'll discuss example of each one. In the first example, we will discuss how final variable is used in Java. Suppose this is a simple class. The name of class is test and this is a public static void main method. Here it required string args, that is string arguments. Now suppose I am defining simple integer I equal to 10. That is, instead of this statement there is integer I equal to 10, and what I am doing in the next statement, I am incrementing value of I, that is I equal to I plus 20, and I am displaying the result. So for this simple program you will get the out. Now we will discuss what happen if I am writing this final keyword before this int. Now if I am writing this final keyword before this integer variable I equal to 10, and if I try to increment value of I, it will give an error. If I am using final keyword before a variable declaration, in that case it is not possible to change the value of that variable throughout the program. It is like a constant now. You cannot change the variable. That's why if you try to change the value at this statement, it will give you an error. So we can say that this, if we are defining a final variable, then that value of that variable will not be changed throughout the program, and if you try to do so, it will give you an error. Now next we will discuss use of final method. So the final keyword can be used as a keyword before a method also. This is a simple example, class demo. Then suppose this is a simple method m1, void m1, and we are displaying a statement demo class with the help of system.out.println. And what I am doing now, in the class test extends demo. So we have already discussed in the previous video that if you have to use inheritance, in that case you have to use the extend keywords. So what does it mean? The class test is extended from demo, or we can say class test is inherited from this demo class. Now you can see here, this is a concept of method overriding. The same name is there in class demo as well as the same name is there in class m1. Okay, and I am displaying system.out.println test class. Now this is a main class, public static main method, public static void main, and I have not written anything in that, so this program will not give any output. But if I am writing this final keyword before this method in the demo class, what will happen? The program will give you a compile time error. Why is it so? Compile time error because though the methods are same in both the classes, but as we have defined this method as a final method, you cannot override this method in any other class. So I think you have understood what is the use of using keyword before a method. If you are using keyword final before a method, in that case it will prevent inheriting that method in the other class, or we can say it will prevent overriding that method in the another class. So if you want that your method should not be used anywhere in another programs or in another classes, in that case you can use a final keyword so that it cannot be used by any other program. So this is a basic idea behind a final keyword which can be used before a method. And third use of this final keyword is before class. Now what I have done, I have created a class test, then this is a method final void m1, and we are displaying test class. Then next is a demo class, class demo extend test void m1. So if I am writing a keyword final before class test, then what will happen? This statement will give you a syntax error. That is, when you try to compile this program, it will give you an error because if you are writing a final keyword before a class, in that case it will not be possible to use that class for inheritance. That's why it will give you an error. So these are the three uses of a final keyword in Java. You can use it as a final variable, you can use it as a final method, and you can use it as a final class. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you are new here.